What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a really good mood. I don't know why, I'm just very excited. The sun was out this morning, I don't know. And I'm very excited to do this video, like majorly excited. So I'm excited because this is one of the best subscription boxes I've ever gotten. I've already looked in the box. I'm very honest about products. I never BS and I love a good deal. So this is like the best subscription box I've literally ever gotten. Like the best one I've literally ever gotten. The best deal. It feels like Christmas right now. I have partnered with FabFitFun on this unboxing, but it was kind of like one of those where I was like, okay, I saw what was in the box and then I was like, okay, let's do this because it's so good. By the way, this is my first time on the FabFitFun train. So if you are also new to the FabFitFun train, this is a seasonal box. So it comes out spring, summer, winter, and fall. Those are all the seasons, yeah, okay. 4 times a year, and it is $49.99 per box. I have a $10 off code that you can use for $10 off your first box. So it'll bring it down to $39.99 for all of this stuff, and it is always like over $250 worth of stuff. This time it is way over $250. Like everything is worth it. Everything is good in here. I'm just gonna show you what's in there. Okay. You can even ask Jarvis. I was freaking out opening this, but I'm just gonna like pretend like I'm opening it for the first time even though I opened it. This is the spring editors box. So I'm pretty sure that means that it's like all the best stuff. Like they compiled like a bunch of the best stuff and put it in here. So this is what the box looks like. FabFitFun. It is a really, look how big this is, and it's heavy too. This is how much stuff you're getting, and by the way, it's packed to the brim. I could not even close it when I tried, like opened it the first time. Inside of the box, I love it. I just love unboxings. Like I wish I could do them for the rest of my life. Okay, so there's a note, and then if you do other subscription boxes, they do this a lot where they'll show you kind of like what you're getting and what the original price is of it. But by the way, again, you're either paying $49.99 or you're paying $39.99 if you use my code, which is KIKI. So opening it up, the first thing I'm gonna pick out is already worth more than the box. It is $75. You can get it at Sephora. And can you get it at Ulta? I don't know if you can get it at Ulta, but so this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This stuff is so good. You can ask anybody, it's like, this is like top of the line skincare. It is so expensive. $75 for this thing. It is truly $75. If you go to Sephora right now, $75. I don't know how it's in this box, to be honest with you. But this is so good. It's got these like really tiny beads. I've already used it. I have like a sample size. I couldn't afford the real one back when I used to work at Sephora. But I used to take home samples on samples on samples of this. It gives you like the smoothest skin. It is so intense. I mean, it's really intense, so if you have like really sensitive skin, I would maybe just relax on it and not use so much, but not like scrub so hard. This stuff is like truly insane. Like I actually need to use this right now because I have such dry skin. I just had like a huge breakout, and then like the stuff that I used to clear it up kind of dried my skin out. So now it's like flaking everywhere. So I'm actually gonna use this tonight. The real deal. I mean, you can ask any person, go look up reviews for it if you want to, but yeah, if you do wanna get, I mean, even if you want to, if you see nothing else in this box that you like, but you wanna get this, you can get it for $39.99 or like, come on with that. Next, we got a hair mask. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. So this is a deep conditioning mask. I actually have this already in my shower, but this is a huge size. This is probably one of the biggest sizes that they sell. It retails for $30. It says it has no sulfates, so that's good if you have like blonde hair. It's not gonna strip your hair, or if you have color treated hair, it's not gonna strip your hair of color. I always look for that whenever I'm getting a hair product or buying a hair product. Always look for no sulfates if you are using a hair product, but it works great. So I actually keep mine in the shower usually. Wait, yeah. I keep mine in the shower. I'm pretty sure that's what you're supposed to do, and you use it after you shampoo, and you leave it on in the shower. So like I leave mine on, and then I will like go and shave my whole body, which takes like actually 30 minutes. But anyway, and if you're just looking for like a pamper day, I do want to say too, as we go through these things, if there's something in here that you don't like, subscription boxes are the best for like gift giving to other people. I always, at Christmas time, I am like loaded. I give the best gifts because I have subscription boxes all year, like this one. And then like everything that I just didn't really want or I didn't end up using, I just give to other people and they're like, oh my God, you're the best. So anyway, so next I'm pulling out, these are bath bombs. They're 4 luxurious fragrances, moisturizing and organic ingredients. Okay, first of all, let's see how much these were. $16. These are bath bombs. I don't know if you guys have looked into it ever, but bath bombs are expensive. Like this Christmas, we were looking for one for my brother because he's obsessed with taking baths. Sorry to expose you a little bit, but anyway, it was so funny because we were looking at them, we're like, oh my God, these are expensive. So 4 bath bombs and they're luxurious. Oh wow. Look at, they look like little macaroons. They look like a little dessert. Ooh, okay, so Keep Calm Wellness. Ooh, I like that one. Let's see. Energize. That smells good. Oh, Red Rose. Okay, so it has Good Vibes Wellness, Energize, and Keep Calm. So it's like all these different emotions that you can feel. I love that. Oh, I can't wait to use that because I finally live in my own apartment now. So I'm like, I never took baths in my parents' house, but now I'm like, I'm thinking about taking a bath. Bath bombs are just not something I buy for myself, but they're something that I actually want. So I'm pretty excited. Bath bombs, yes. Again, that's another good one if you want to give it as a gift to somebody. So, okay, moving on. We've got some more makeup in here, which is always that's like what I look for. I just love makeup and stuff. So, hello, this is from Tarte. Not only do you get one lip paint, but you get also a glossy lip paint. You don't just get one Tarte product, you get 2 Tarte lip products. You get it in Obvi and Salty. I actually have this already, the Obvi one, and it's like one of the best colors out of their glossy lip paint line. I actually did a video on this a long time ago, but they're awesome, like they're really good. Okay, $40 for both of those. What the heck? Okay, pink. Let's see what these look like. Quick dry lip paint. So these are like a matte liquid lipstick. A nude. Stop. Oh my God. There's a swatch of Salty. I honestly think this was one of their better selling ones, but like finally a subscription box that gives you a nude lip. Like I just, like sometimes they'll just give you like these crazy colors and you're like, didn't want that. But okay, let's swatch Obvi because Obvi. I remember how much I love this now that I just swatched it. Okay. Yeah, so they're like super pigmented lip glosses. They could actually be like, they almost kind of could be like a lipstick or something like that. That is really cute. I cannot believe that we just got those in the box. This next one, literally I screamed when I saw this because I do not have anything from this brand. I could not afford it. And my one friend from college always used to buy this brand, and like she was super rich and her parents were super rich. And she would just buy this brand over and over and over and like literally shop there every day. And I would walk into that store and be like, I can't afford it. Okay, this is from Free People, you guys. Free People. This is my first Free People thing ever. I'm like so excited. This is $40. Retails for $40. I got mine in mint. I'm putting this in the fridge right now. So it's a vegan leather eye mask. Thank you so much. Features removable, non-toxic cooling insert. Keep you feeling and looking refreshed. Stop it. So you put this in the shower. I mean, not in the shower. Wait, was I saying shower? I'm putting this in the fridge. It's like cooling, refreshing. Oh my God, on those pamper nights, this is gonna be OP. This is going to be OP, which means overpowered, by the way. It's like a gaming term. Anyway, nobody cares about that. And you can adjust the strap, by the way, back on here. So like if you want it to be a little bit bigger, hold on, let me like, I'll actually put it on if you want me to. This is so cute. I would wear this out like as a fashion accessory. Oh my God, I am so excited about this. I am so excited about this. Anything from Free People, like you could give me a brown paper bag from Free People and I would be like, thank you so much. So, I'm just amazed. And guys, there's still more stuff in here. I know that I'm sounding so like overly enthusiastic, but I'm honestly so pumped up. I never get subscription boxes like this. I just never do, okay? This I have to open, like I'm literally dying to open this. I actually have not opened this yet, so this will be a first impression. This is Homemade by Aisha Curry. I'd Rather Be in Bed ceramic mug, oversized mug. Look at this mug. Are you kidding me? Is this machine washable? Wait, can you wash this? Microwave safe, dishwasher safe. Okay, so you can put this in the dishwasher too. Oh, I'd rather be in bed. So wait, what does this retail for? $16. This looks like, it feels like way better than $16 to be honest with you. But oversized mug, I just bought a bunch of hot chocolate. Oh my God, is this gonna be used immediately? This is so cute. It's like, I feel like this is something that I would make. Like honestly, like this is something that I would design. This is so cute. I love the little eyelashes. My grandma's probably watching this like, oh my God, I want that so bad. She loves things with eyelashes on them. Anyway, another good item. Super excited about it. Definitely will have use in my life. So, okay, moving on. So next we have the Sponge Gel French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. So there is the box, love it. And it's a body wash and buffer. So I think that it's, you can exfoliate with this and then you just like put it in your shower, put it under the water and it gets like sudsy. That's what I think it is anyway. This is so cute. Oh my God, this smells so good. Oh my God. Wait, what the heck? Wait, what the heck? This smells, it doesn't really smell like lavender. It smells like an elevated, like girly version of my boyfriend's Old Spice. Oh my God. This smells like what I imagine like a queen would smell like. Like an actual like royal, like a royal highness. What the heck? This is like think of like the richest, most put together person that you know. This is what they smell like. This is what somebody who's got their life together, like all the way together. Honestly, this was the thing I was not so excited about, but after smelling it, this like literally jumped up to #1. It smells like, oh my God, it doesn't smell like lavender. It says it's supposed to leave your skin feeling soft as silk. I'm down for that. Oh my God, that is the best. I'm literally like, I want to go take a shower right now. And I took a shower this morning for once, so. Holy crud. $16, and there we go. There's like 2 more things in here. So, next thing is, oh my God, this is like a little tote. Summer and Rose. Like little tote. Let me see how much this retails for. $54. $54 rope handle stripes on stripes. $54, holy crap. I don't know if this is really worth $54, but wow. Does it say anything on it? Wow, it doesn't say anything, but it's cute. Wow, these are really good handles. They're like that beachy, like classic beachy. Oh, wow. Wow, this would be perfect for the beach. Oh my God. Oh my God, my mom would love, I feel like my mom would really like this. I don't know why. Maybe she wouldn't, let me know. There's like a bunch of pouches in here. Pretty big. This is like so beachy summery. I actually like it. Like, oh my God, I could take this to Aldi and be like the most fashionable person at Aldi because you know how like they don't have bags there. Oh my God. Why am I thinking about Aldi all the time? Okay. Anyway, $54? Are you kidding me? I feel like my mom would so buy this for $54. Like, oh. You guys, this is like such an expensive box. Total retail value. So like you can, by the way, you guys, you can get like different selections. So like here's some of the things I didn't get. I didn't get a Rachel Polly reversible clutch, which is worth $60. I didn't get that. So you either get like that or you get like the tote, I think. Then you can, oh my God, you can either get the Tarte lip paints or you can get the Double Duty Beauty eyeshadow palette for, oh my God. Or, oh my God, there's like so many different options, but no matter what, you're gonna get at least $276 worth of stuff. And you can get up to like $295 worth of stuff. And it's only $49.99 or $39.99 with my code, which is like, I would use this code so fast. If you guys are not using this code, like I just don't understand what you're doing. Okay, like what are you spending your money on? Food probably. Okay, and then it also came with a HelloFresh gift card for $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. That's the end of the box. This was like such a fun video. This was so much stuff. Are you kidding me? I just feel like this was such a fun video. It was everything was a hit for me. Nothing disappointed me. Not one thing disappointed me. Even that like sponge thing for your shower, like I probably wouldn't gravitate towards that. But now I'm like, what the hell? Like I need to keep smelling it. Yeah, I need a perfume in this, please, like immediately. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Even if you don't want to get the box, I hope that you just were entertained for a few minutes of your day. If you want me to continue to do unboxings, I would love to do that. I love to do unboxings, literally of anything. Like, I will unbox food, I will unbox a blanket, I will unbox wood chips, like I will unbox anything. So let me know, leave a like on this video too. Let me know if you don't want to comment. Like I said, my code is KIKI. If you want $10 off of this box, I definitely recommend it. This is one of the best boxes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!